Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to check if two numbers fall within the ranges of 40 to 60 or 70 to 100 using JavaScript. Let's jump right in. The goal is to check if both numbers are either within the 40 to 60 range or the 70 to 100 range. Here's the JavaScript function that checks if the numbers fall within the two specified ranges. We use logical operators to handle these conditions. We first check if both numbers are within 40 to 60. Then, if they fall between 70 and 100. If either condition is met, the function returns true. In this example, both 44 and 56 fall within range 40 to 60, so the function returns true. Here, both numbers fall within the range of 70 to 100, so the function returns true. In this example, the numbers are not in the same range. One is in the 40 to 60 and the other is in the 70 to 100, so the function returns false. Here's the same solution, but written using the ES6 array functions for more concise syntax. We covered how to check if two numbers are in the 40 to 60 or the 70 to 100 range using conditionals. I hope this lesson was helpful. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.